Hello everyone. I am standing here outside of the very busy show booth put on by KUANI Group. Now, KUANI started out back in 1980 as a gears and components manufacturer. Over time and through research, KUANI has expanded its business scope to two major product lines, that being power tools and OEM component services. Now today I will be meeting with General Manager Harry Chen. So everyone, let's go meet him now. Hello, Mr. Chen. Hello. Hi. All right, now please tell us more about KUANI.
Hello everyone. My name is Harry Chen. KUANI products play an important role in the manufacturing and the assembly line, which produce some branch of items that we use in our daily life. KUANI products also play an important role in the service and repair industry that will take care of things when they go wrong. KUANI are continually moving forward with new ideas and products that maintain reliability and efficiency when they are needed. KUANI will gear up your world.
All right, you guys, well, let's all take a look at what they have on display today. Come on, right this way. All right, everyone, I'm standing here now with product specialist Wendy. Now, Wendy, please, I see many cool tools here. Can you tell us what you have to show us today?
Yes, I'm going to show you these two tools. We are so proud of them. Actually, those two are Taiwan Excellence Award products, which are durable and popular among our worldwide customers, and mainly used in maintenance and automobile repair. And stand the test of the time, even now under the pandemic. Those two tools still gaining a great favor of global market. Wow. Yes, so now I'm going to show you the features and the benefits for these two tools.
All right, let's take a look.
Yes, so firstly is KI4037. And it's our gearless angle impact wrench.
Gearless, you say?
Yes,
okay.
And as you can see, the profile is short and stoppy, and while with this size, it gives free to access to confined space, such like an engine bay or farm vehicle.
Oh, right.
Yes. Okay. As you can see, here is a small window which features a 3-speed power switch that is KUANI's patent. It makes suitable and versatile for use for all sorts of purposes.
Wow, so you can just change the number in the window there by twisting that, and we get 3 different speeds.
Yes,
wow,
yes.
Okay.
And also, plus here it have a 3060-degree swivel harsh deflector, can be improved the work efficient.
Oh, very cool. All right, now let's take a look at that guy over there on the left. What's this?
Oh, okay, for this one.
Ooh, this one's definitely heavy duty.
Yes,
okay, cool.
Yes, you're right. It's a super duty impact wrench. As you can see, the model number is KI4080, and it's our fingertip slide control series. As you can see, you can switch reverse and forward by one hand.
Wow, that is efficient. Boom, 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 just like that.
Yeah. It's also KUANI's patent as well. And generally, we call this series as a side to side because it's just a side to side, right?
Yeah, side to side. I like it. Okay, in and out. Okay.
Yes. And for this design, really help user to easy to maneuver and switch the direction during the different tasks.
Right.
And also for this tool, is have awarded the best product of National Yushan Award, which is versatility and durability. And for this tool, KUANI also use the nutrient hammer as innovative mechanism to extend the tool life.
Oh,
And
wow.
yes, and as you mentioned, this Super Duty impact range features 1,400 foot-pounds as breakaway torque. With such powerful tool, you can help you to save time and afford to handling stubborn bolt and wheel lug nuts. And
Wheel lug nuts, of course. Doing
yeah.
your home repairs, changing your tires, winter to summer, all of that, of course.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. And also here with adjustable torque in forward and the reverse is suitable for most of application because you can select the torque.
Right, so you're not
Yes.
over tightening or under tightening. That's right.
Yes,
Very
yes.
good.
And
Yeah, safe
here,
too.
along with ergonomical design handle, really help you to properly control this tool without having to worry much about the vibration.
Can I hold it?
Yes, for
Wow,
sure. You can
cool.
try.
Okay. Hey, that does fit pretty good. And you know what? It does feel firm and strong and heavy duty, but I think I can move it around with one hand
Yes,
pretty good.
yes.
You know, and just change it up side to side. All right.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay, so plus here, along with the handle is harsh with a muffler. You can use this range while producing minimum noise.
Oh, so
Yes.
it's quieter too.
Yes,
That's a big
yes.
one.
So
Yeah.
now next, our technician is going to demonstrate this tool for you guys.
All right, everyone. Let's stay tuned for that. All right, Wendy, I would
Yes.
like to thank you very much for the information and showing us all around here today. All of the demonstrations were very informative and very cool. So I just want to say thank you again very much.
Yes, and before the end, I would like to emphasize again, quality is core of KUANI. And in developing TQM, our QC department understands very well how consumers define the quality in both goods and the service offered. And furthermore, KUANI also set up the first certificate laboratory for conducting vibration and noise of portable power tool to meet CE standard because it's very important for Europe market. Yes. So again, thanks for everyone coming, and it will be our earnest hope that your visit will prove pleasant and rewarding to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Wendy.
Thank you.